Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax of Houston, coming to you today with a walkthrough video of a 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. I'm currently standing on the submersible swim platform, which makes it really easy to get in and out of this boat. It's super easy when you're in the water back there. It does, and keeps people away from the prop. If you come up over here, the back of the boat is such a great entertaining spot. You'll notice that the seats come up and have plenty of room for you to get your legs elevated so you can hang out back here. This is a super-sized storage compartment here, perfect for wakeboards, skis, stuff like that. You can put extra tubes in there. It's ginormous, lots of space. 12-volt outlet over here, cup holders, American flag, because we like to be patriotic here at MarineMax. As you come through the walkthrough, you'll see you've got stereo controls here. You've got a freshwater rinse down there. This is another cooler that's built in. There's plenty of coolers on this boat that we'll get into as we get back into the rest of the boat. There's a walk-through door that closes for safety. Keep dogs and kids inside if that's how you guys are on the water. There's another reboarding step here. Really cool thing about this boat, it's got 4 different points of entry. So if you're at unlevel docks or things like that, it makes it really easy to get in and out of the boat. As we come on into the cockpit, you'll notice that it's extra spacious. And this boat has a unique feature that a lot of boats in this size range don't have. Both the captain's seat and the co-captain's seat fold back, turning the cockpit into a ginormous lounging area. You could do rear-facing lounging. You've got room for tons of people in this boat. It's actually yacht certified, so you can have as many people on board as you can have life jackets. On the port side over here, we've got another ginormous storage compartment. Tons of space for coolers, extra things, food, life jackets, all that stuff that you want when you're on the water. On the starboard side, we've got a flip up. There's a removable cooler that goes in there, extra space there for storage too. This boat has 2 different ski lockers, one on the floor here that flips up, another one at the front of the boat. As we make our way forward, flip these seats back here. Show you guys both of these here. Both of the seats have bolsters on them to get you elevated up. On the port side over here, there's an oversized head compartment. Nice freshwater sink there on the side. There's a light that lights that up. That's a vacuum flush head, so you don't have to worry about taking that tray out or anything. There's a little glove box over here as well. We've got the Fusion upgraded audio on this boat too, subwoofers, speakers, the upgraded Fusion head unit for this year. Touchscreen, plays Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, all that. It's all integrated. This boat also has the courtesy lighting package too, so it's got blue LED lighting all the way around it. I almost forgot to talk about the wakeboard tower. You've got a big oversized tower with a huge bimini, tons of shade for the cockpit. It's a sunny day out here on Clear Lake and we're nice and cool. You can pull tubes, wakeboards, skiers, things from that tower as well. Tilt steering at the helm, nice Simride display. This has got a chart plotter in it, touchscreen, shows you all your mercury view. It's got a chart plotter as well. Everything's all at your fingertips, super easy to use. As we move forward, even more great features. This boat comes with 2 tables, a bow table and a table for the back of the boat. Convenient storage there under the helm. Utilize that space that sometimes gets forgotten. There's a block-through wind block door here that comes over, blocks the wind. You can shut the windshield, keep the cockpit nice and cool. Up at the front, you got flip-down armrests for both of these seats up here. Full-length loungers, full-size adult can lay completely out. 2 more coolers that are built in here, insulated, that drain into the hull of the boat. They really just utilized every single bit of space in this boat. There's more space under this here, and then also an electronic anchor windlass, stainless steel, really nice touch there. Spot for a bow table, and a freshwater rinse down for the windlass too. We're gonna come back to the helm here and show you guys a little bit about what we enjoy about Clear Lake. It's a beautiful day, and I really want to thank you guys for taking a look at this 2019 270 SeaDek here at MarineMax of Houston. Let's go boating.